In this video, I'm going to teach you how to attach static lists to HubSpot campaigns. To do that, first head over to your campaign by going to the marketing and then from in there clicking on campaigns. It should be able to lead you to your campaign builder if you actually want to create a new one, or you can also open the campaign that you want to attach the list with. So you have two options for that. On this case, let's just open right here our campaign that we currently have. Proceed to click and open it right here. Now, once you do that, you can see right here your campaign. So for this, we just need to add assets. Just click onto this asset option. And into this case, let's proceed to click onto the options for the contacts list and then options right here. So we have in here a lot of options to choose from. We can head over and then create a list by adding options right here. Click on actions, click on add assets, then choose right here the option that you want. Onto this case, let's choose this CVAs. Click on the assets right here and then create it. Then save it once you're done. Then from in there, you can select your static list from the drop down and you should be good to go. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to do so using our affiliate links in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.